dragon classifications. Strike class, fear class, mystery class. Thunder drum. This reclusive dragon inhabits sea caves and dark tide pools. When startled, the thunder drum produces a concussive sound that can kill a man at close range. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Timberjack. This gigantic creature has razor-sharp wings that can slice through full-grown trees. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Scaldron. Sprays scalding water at its victim. Extremely dangerous. Changeling. Even newly hatched dragons can spray acid, kill on sight. Broncle. Zippleback. The Skrill. Bone Napper. Whispering Death. Turns its victims, buries its victims, chokes its victims, turns its victims inside out. Extremely dangerous, extremely dangerous. Kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.
I can see you sad even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared I ain't there. Daddy's with you in your prayers, no more crying, wiping tears. Daddy's here, no more the mess. We gon' put together through, we gon' do it. Lady, all goes crazy in it, yeah. We're all we got in this world. When it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in the days. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder I try to do it, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up, the daddy he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me. Things that got so bad between us, I don't see us ever being together ever again like we used to be when we was teenagers. Then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be. That's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. No more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up, this will all just be a dream. Now hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you that he's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and